Hello everyone, hope you are having an amazing day. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can make your Instagram account completely private. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's start our video. If I open my Instagram account, then this is not private. If I search for my account by switching from another account, I will just search for my account from here. My account name is this is my account, and here you can see that another person can see all my pictures and all my posts. Okay, so if I want to make this private, then I will switch back to my previous account. Okay, and from here I will click on these three dots and I will go to settings, and here just click on privacy and account privacy. As you can see, it is set to public. I will just check this option. Okay, now my account is completely private. You can also see from here by switching to another account, and if I search for my account from here, and from here you can see that my account has become private. Okay, I hope that you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.